So you can also go ahead and add in a person field inside of Notion database forms. So to do that, over here you can see that I already have a form. So I'm going to click on the add question button right here, just like this. And let's say what I'm going to do now is add in, let's say for example, a person right here, just like this. So now once you go ahead and do that, you can see that the type is question. So here it says now respondents can select as many as they like as well, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and preview, you can see that I can actually go ahead and tag people right here which are there in Notion. So right now I only have myself, so you can see that I can only tag myself right now. But if this form is shared with other people, then whoever this form is shared with, you will be able to go ahead and add in people right there. So once they go ahead and type the name, then you can see that they can be tagged right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and add in a database form person section inside of Notion. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.